Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the antutu benchmark comparison between the Realme 7 5G versus the Realme X device. So this is a Realme X I am using for the I think more than 1.5 years. I have this Realme X smartphone with me, and the Realme 7 5G, which I also call as the Realme Q2 as well, which is recently launched in my studio, and I did so many videos of this Realme 7 5G as well. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly as well, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme 7 5G, and you can find so many amazing videos which are already uploaded on this device, and which is really good to know whether this phone actually capable of supporting everything or not. So that's why I decided to do so many comparison videos and so many tests. So plenty more videos are to be come in the next upcoming couple of days. So as I said, in this video I'll be comparing the antutu benchmark test between both of the Realme brand, so both of the Realme phones from the same brand. So Snapdragon 710 processor versus the Dimensity 800U processor, which is completely different from the Snapdragons, as you can see. And the Snapdragon 710 processor is kind of very old processor, as you can see. This I think close to 2 years of with the Snapdragon 710 processor mid-range segment phones we are seeing with the 710, but still after using for a very long time, the phone is holding very much good, the Realme X device, without any issues. And now let me try to quickly open the antutu benchmark application and show you the results, which phone has how much kind of results and how much difference is there between the both the smartphones. And in case if you want to download this kind of live wallpaper, which is really good, and try to check the links in description for the playlist of this live wallpaper. You'll find so many wallpapers in the playlist, links in description. So try to click the playlist and you'll find the video. And as I said, as you can see, the score is difference of close to 1 lakh difference is there between the both smartphones, which is really good. So right now the Realme X is offered around close to 15,000. If the Realme 7 5G or the Realme Q2, if their phone launch around 15,000, 16,000, then this would be the very good option for most of the users who are looking to buy the very good performance oriented mobile phones. And the Realme has given a pretty good option of this mobile phone choosing that. So which has really good specifications and really good things which are interesting in this smartphone. And the CPU usage you can see, and the GPU performance comparison as well, as you can see, your friends. So so overall the close to 1 lakh difference is there, even though the antutu benchmark version is different, but still there's so much of difference is going on between this both phones. 1 lakh difference is there. And next videos I'll try to do the display comparison between the Realme X versus the Realme 7 5G. So if you want to watch that video, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly every day. I'll try to post so many videos, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.